Today you can learn 7 basic drawing techniques. Hello friends, I am artist Muthuswamy. This is the most common and recommended grip type, where the pencil is supported by thumb, index and middle fingers. Circles. First one, inward circles. Draw a big circle. Don't close the shape. Let it tighten inward, slowly moving closer to the center. 2. Outward circle. Mark a center. Draw slightly bigger circle around. Keep adding larger circle outward. Keeps shaping every for clean look. Third one. Concentric circle. Mark a center from small. Lightly sketch your larger circle, larger and above. You can rotate paper as you can draw. Draw from large circle, lightly sketch. Smaller circle, again. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Confident pencil strokes. Consistent focus exercise are key to improving your pencil control. Lines. We can easily draw lines without moving wrist. Lines are divided as 2 parts. Number 1, straight line. Straight lines has many shapes. For example, square, rectangle, triangle, and trapezium also. You can use scale for straight lines. You can move your elbow and don't move your wrist for a perfect straight line. You mark point first and connect with the straight lines. Keep your wrist relaxed. Curved line. Your arms for smooth curve. Keep your wrist relaxed for a smooth and curved lines. Hatching lines. Number 1, parallel hatching. Draw a square and mark the start and end points. Hold the pencil little further back. Relax your grip. Relax your pencil. Decide the direction. Don't change angles. Keep space consistency. Cross hatching. Start with the light pressure. Keep your motion smooth and even. Draw each line in one stroke. Work from one side to other side. Leave equal gaps between strokes. Move across in order. This prevents overlapping and messy lines. Shading. Starting from thin to thick, validity, pressure. For more details about the shading, click my videos and enjoy my tutorials.